Open Play Store app. Download Ozone app. Sign up to your account. Follow the registration process. Enter OTP received on your email address. Set your password. Click on Add Device. Press on Video Surveillance. Click on Smart Doorbell. Click the QR code. Select the indicator prompted on screen. Click on Next. Enter Wi-Fi details. Please scan the QR code from 15 to 20 centimeters away from doorbell screen. Device added successfully. If you want to check your notification text, then press OK, otherwise cancel. Select the bell option. How to use doorbell. Tap on Decline to reject the call. Tap on Accept to answer the call. You can do a one-on-one conversation with the person outside. Video to store video to phone. Microphone to press to talk. Picture to take picture of visitors and store to phone. Full screen to make the video preview to full screen.